What's going on, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the iPhone 11, which is essentially Apple's new version of the iPhone XR, because as you guys can tell, this phone has a lot of different colors, like this one right here. This beautiful Warenotice red color, which is actually its product red color, and yeah, I'm just super duper excited to get this bad boy out of the box. So folks, without further ado, let's get to doing just that, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, we have a beautiful picture of the iPhone 11 in this, once again, absolutely beautiful Warenotice red. Guys, if you couldn't tell, if you didn't know by now, I obviously love red because it's Warenotice's color, so that's why I had to just buy this bad boy right here. And yeah, over here on this side says iPhone in red. Over here on this side says iPhone once again in red. And actually over here on this side it's the Apple logo in what color? Red. Oh yeah. And up here another Apple logo in red. So that's all very, very cool. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. So we can just pull on this, get the shrink wrap off. I'm just saying, folks, I really do love how easy Apple's been making it with these new iPhones to get the shrink wrap off the boxes, because sometimes it can be pretty hard. So easy when you can just peel it off. A nice little tab like Apple's letting us do. So let's get the top off this box, and here it comes. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that shade of red, though. Oh my guys, look at that. Right there it says product red. We got like a silver Apple logo right there, and oh my guys, this is absolute beauty at its best, okay? We can peel this off, and oh yeah, look at this phone. I'm gonna put it to the side for just a second so we can see what else is in the box. Right here, designed by Apple in California, we got some paperwork. Product red, blah, 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 blah. What else? Paperwork. Ooh, and some Apple stickers. Hey. Okay, and we can put this to the side. And right here, folks, we got some lightning ear pods if you want to listen to some music on this bad boy with some non-wireless headphones. I prefer wireless headphones, but yeah, right here we got that standard 5-watt power brick, not the super duper fast charging USB-C one that we've been seeing on the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Check out my unboxing of that phone if you haven't seen it already, link in the description. But yeah, this is just the standard power brick that's been coming with iPhones for a while now, so that's unfortunate that Apple didn't upgrade this one as well for just the standard iPhone 11, so bad boy Apple, okay? And then right here we've got just a standard lightning to regular USB cable, also for charging this bad boy. So here's what comes in the box right here, and yeah, without further ado, let's get to using the iPhone 11, baby. And folks, just like that, now we've got the iPhone 11 all set up, so let's get to playing with it. If we bring it over here and take a look at its back, we can see what is arguably the biggest new feature of this phone, the camera. So like I was saying earlier, this phone is essentially the next version of the iPhone XR, and one of the big things about the iPhone XR was it only had one rear camera. Well, the iPhone 11 now has two rear cameras. One is your standard camera, Apple calls it a wide camera, and the other one is your ultra wide angle camera. Apple calls it an ultra wide camera, believe it or not. Beautiful naming, if I do say so myself. And yeah, what that ultra wide angle camera is going to let you do is sort of like step back and get more in the frame by, you know, having a wider angle that it takes a picture of. So yeah, if we look over here at the back of the phone, looking nice and beautiful. Over here, I definitely love this shade of red. Once again, red's my favorite color because Warenotice's color is red. So this is pretty cool. Over here on the side of the phone, we've got the side button. Over here on this side, we've got the volume up button, volume down button, and the mute switch. Over here on the top, we got nothing. And over here down on the bottom, we've got speaker grills and the lightning port. So yeah, let's unlock this phone with Face ID. And then once we do that and it's all nice and unlocked, we can start using it. So let's fire up the camera app and try out those two rear cameras. Okay, boop, boop, boop. Okay, and here we go, folks. So let's take a picture of the Warenotice logo with just 1 times going on right here. take a picture, and if we tap this button right here, now we switch to that ultra wide angle camera, and look how much more it gets in the shot without me even having to move the phone. That's what I'm talking about, folks. So let's take that picture, and oh yeah, look at that beautiful Warenotice logo, folks. And yeah, another new thing about the cameras on all iPhone 11 models, including the Pro and the Pro Max, is guess what? You can take this thing called a Slowfie, which is a slow motion video selfie. So yeah, let's do that right now. To do it, you come over to slow-mo and you just flip the camera so it looks at you. As you can see there, I'm videoing, but yeah, let's point it at me and let's take a Slowfie, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's play that back right now. Oh, and oh boy, that is a Slowfie, folks. So yeah, quite an interesting invention on Apple's part, if I do say so myself. Anyway, folks, moving on, now let's talk about this phone screen. So as the newer version, essentially, of the iPhone XR, this screen has the same resolution as that phone screen, which unfortunately is below full 1080p HD. And when the iPhone XR came out, there was a lot of controversy around that. And also this phone, just like the iPhone XR, it's an LCD screen. And what people were saying is like, will the screen look good? And personally, I thought on the iPhone XR as well as on this phone, I mean, come on, the screen looks great. There's no problem here. So at least that's just my opinion. You guys, you can see it for yourself right here through the camera. What do you guys think? But yeah, one good thing though is this 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display, as Apple calls it. At least it's pretty good in size, because it is bigger than the screen actually on the standard iPhone 11 Pro, which is more expensive. However, it's not bigger than the screen on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But hey, I'm definitely a fan of big screens. So yeah. So folks, now to give you a better idea of how the screen functions, I'm going to play one of my own Warenotice YouTube videos right here on this phone, and you can watch it through that. And I'll be playing it at max volume as well, so you can get a sense of the speakers.
Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the JBL Flip 5.
And yeah, that's what it's like to watch a Warenotice video on the iPhone 11. So if you want one of these for yourself, this phone starts at $699, not $6.99, $699. And yeah, it comes in a bunch of different storage configurations, either 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or 256 gigabytes. Also, it comes in a bunch of different colors. Obviously, red is one of them, in addition to white, yellow, green, black, and purple. And yeah, with that, folks, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. So if you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the iPhone 11, baby. Ooh.